Are you looking? As more people prioritize health and nutrition, the demand for juicer machines has surged. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a parent looking for healthier options, or someone just starting your wellness journey, a reliable juicer makes all the difference. In this guide to the best juicer machines, we evaluate each pick based on juicing efficiency, ease of cleaning, feed chute size, build quality. List number: Nama J2 Cold Press Juicer, self-feeding for hands-free operation with wide mouth hopper. The Nama J2 Cold Press Juicer is a premium model designed for convenience and superior juice extraction. Its self-feeding hopper is wide enough to load an entire recipe at once. No need for constant prep or pushing ingredients. It operates at a low speed, preserving nutrients and minimizing oxidation for fresh, vibrant juice. The hands-free operation is a game changer for busy mornings. Built with BPA-free materials, it's both safe and durable. It's also impressively quiet for a cold-pressed juicer. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to the thoughtful, easy-to-disassemble parts. While it comes at a higher price point, the time and nutrition it saves make it a worthwhile investment. Ideal for health enthusiasts who want both performance and ease of use in one sleek package. List number: Hurom H320 Cold Press Juicer Machine. Easy to clean, masticating slow juicer with coarse strainers. The Hurom H320 blends sleek aesthetics with powerful cold press juicing. What sets it apart is its self-feeding design and coarse strainers, perfect for adjusting pulp content to your preference. This slow juicer preserves maximum nutrients and enzymes, delivering high-quality, smooth juice. It's whisper quiet and made with high-grade, BPA-free materials for long-lasting durability. The H320's modular components are intuitive to assemble and clean, taking the hassle out of juicing. It can handle everything from leafy greens to dense fruits like apples and carrots with ease. If you're serious about health, but also want a device that fits seamlessly into your kitchen aesthetic, the Hurom H320 is a solid contender. It's great for those who value customization, efficiency, and premium design in their kitchen appliances. List number: Breville Juice Fountain Plus JE98XL, powerful centrifugal juicer in sleek silver. The Breville JE98XL Juice Fountain Plus is a centrifugal juicer built for speed and power. With a robust 850-watt motor, it effortlessly processes whole fruits and veggies with minimal prep, thanks to its 3-inch wide feed chute. Dual speed settings let you adjust for soft or hard produce, and its stainless steel cutting disc ensures quick extraction. While centrifugal juicers typically yield slightly less juice than slow models, the JE98XL stands out for its efficiency and user-friendliness. It includes a large pulp container and juice jug with froth separator, making it ideal for families or those juicing in bulk. Cleanup is simple with dishwasher-safe parts. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, fast, and reliable juicer, especially for morning routines, the Breville is hard to beat. Great for beginners or those with busy schedules. List number: Cold Press Juicer Machines, 6.5 large feed chute for whole fruits and vegetables. This cold press juicer with a 6.5-inch chute is a game changer for anyone looking to simplify their juicing routine. Its extra-wide feed chute accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, drastically reducing prep time. The cold press technology ensures minimal oxidation and maximum nutrient retention, resulting in high-yield, flavorful juice. With a strong, low-noise motor, it handles tough ingredients without bogging down. The user-friendly design includes easy assembly and quick cleaning features with dishwasher-safe parts. Its sleek build fits modern kitchens, and the durable BPA-free materials ensure long-term use. Whether you're juicing daily or a few times a week, this model provides a great balance of performance, convenience, and affordability. Perfect for families or individuals who want to save time without compromising juice quality. And list number: Juicer machines with 5.8 large feed chute, 400 watts cold press juicer for whole fruits and vegetables. This 400 watts cold press juicer stands out for its powerful motor and generous 5.8-inch feed chute. capable of taking in whole fruits and vegetables with minimal prep. Its high-torque, slow juicing system ensures maximum juice extraction and nutrient preservation. Ideal for leafy greens, apples, carrots, and more. The anti-drip spout and reverse function prevent clogs and mess, while the quiet operation makes it kitchen-friendly even in the early morning. Designed with easy-to-clean parts, it's perfect for anyone who wants to juice daily without the burden of time-consuming cleanup. With its solid build and BPA-free components, this juicer offers a professional-grade experience at an affordable price. It's a smart choice for health-conscious users looking for both power and practicality.